On modern battlefields, autonomous swarm systems and kamikaze drones are rewriting tactical doctrines. But building a truly reliable military drone requires a complex synthesis of two distinct worlds: advanced aviation software and rugged, precision electronic weapon hardware. Today, July 4th, 2026, India took a massive step toward absolute sovereignty in this domain. IPO-bound drone pioneer Garuda Aerospace has signed a comprehensive alliance with defense engineering veteran Micron Instruments to co-develop next-generation indigenous loitering munitions. In this briefing, we break down the engineering backend of this partnership and explain why this architecture is a major shift for Atmanirbhar Bharat's defense ecosystem.
To understand why this alliance matters, we have to look at where low-cost commercial drones usually fail when adapted for military use. Garuda Aerospace has mastered localized mass production of carbon fiber airframes and autonomous navigation routing. However, weaponizing an aerial platform requires military-grade precision mechanics fuses. If a loitering munition fails to detonate exactly when and how it is programmed to, the entire asset is wasted. This is where Micron Instruments comes in. With over 6 decades of engineering experience supplying the Indian Armed Forces, Micron specializes in highly sensitive mechanical safety and arming devices and precision military fuses. From an engineering perspective, the core of this partnership is the integration of these flight-certified fuses directly into Garuda's payload-enabled UAV hardware. For a loitering munition to be effective, its internal electronic flight controller must communicate flawlessly with the warhead's detonation matrix. By designing these subsystems together from scratch on Indian soil, the alliance eliminates foreign hardware reliance and ensures the platform is completely sanction-proof. Targeting an expanding 20,000 crore rupee domestic military drone market, this joint effort is aimed straight at replacing imported loitering munitions with localized, mass-producible variants. By combining software automation with legacy military engineering, India is filling a critical gap in its tactical hardware supply chain. As these indigenous kamikaze platforms enter field testing later this year, the focus shifts entirely to high-volume manufacturing readiness. If you value deep, technical breakdowns of defense systems without the mainstream media hype, hit that subscribe button to join Edgeverse Intelligence. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on India's drone localization roadmap. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next briefing.